Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If Widgets is not working on your computer, then watch this video to make it work again. The first thing we'll do is disable the third-party antivirus. Now normally Windows antivirus does not cause this problem, but just for the sake of it, we will disable it and then check. So I will turn off the Windows antivirus real-time protection. You can, if you're using a third-party app like AVG or Kaspersky, you need to turn it off. You need to turn off the protection, the real-time protection, and then you just need to re-enable antivirus. So right click on the start taskbar, go to taskbar settings, and then if it's in the off position, switch it on. If it was in the on position while you shut down antivirus real-time protection, then switch it off and switch it on again. Now the next thing we can do is to reinstall the graphics card drivers. So we'll go to device manager, and then we will look for display adapters. Here I have an AMD Radeon graphics card. Right click on it, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers, and it should work. If it doesn't, the better option is to look for AMD Radeon graphics card driver or any graphics card driver that you have in your system. Go to the website, manufacturer website, and click on the download Windows drivers, and then run the installer, and it should fix the issue. If that too doesn't fix the issue, then we need to look for whether time and date are in sync. So right click on the start button, go to settings, click on time and language, date and time, and then make sure that the time zone is set automatically, set time automatically, and then click on sync now and wait for the checkbox. Also look for language and region and make sure that you are in the correct country and correct regional format. And then once that is done, we will again try to enable widgets. Right click on the taskbar, go to taskbar settings, and then switch on widgets. If it was on, then switch it off and on again, and widgets should definitely appear on your taskbar. Now in the very rare event that all these solutions didn't work and we still can't see widgets, then the only option is to right click on the start bar, go to settings, system, and then look for recovery and click on reset PC and click on remove everything. Now before you do this, make sure you back up your personal files on an external hard drive and then click on cloud download and click on next. Now make sure while doing a cloud download that your internet is connected and it is a very good stable connection till the install is over. Now it will take some time, so next you have to click on the reset button here and it should install a fresh copy of Windows on your system and it should solve the issue. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.